Hey, closing in 5 minutes.
I need 6. Can I have... I'm sorry. Can I have a shot, just one shot of your... something brown, okay? Finest brown stuff.
I don't think you need any more, pal.
But see, I have to, because I'm celebrating. This is a celebration, because I'm... Thank you.
And a controversial verdict today in the trial of alleged racketeer Jack Mendick. Defense attorney Sam Keneally won a dazzling acquittal after bombarding the jury with dense technical arguments and hints of a police conspiracy to frame his client. Mendick was jubilant when he left the courthouse with his attorney after being found not guilty of the shotgun murders of the accountant and the accountant's wife. In other news, a federal jury is listening to arguments regarding a plot to destroy the federal building in battle.
Dazzling defense attorney, that's me.
You got that guy off.
Bathroom. Sorry.
Mr. Keneally, please, some modesty.
This is not the bathroom.
My point exactly. Here.
Oh.
To defense attorneys.
Oh, here.
L'chaim.
L'chaim, yes.
That's it.
Oh, my, what is that?
Slivovitz, made from Carpathian plums.
My. Oh, what is this place?
Excellent work, getting Mr. Mendick acquitted.
Oh, well, thank you very much. See, he just killed 2 people. I managed to confuse 12.
The jury?
Lovely, lovely group of people, just a tiny bit impressionable, you know? You know how nice it would be to have one innocent client?
Consider it done. Here. Here's your travel ticket.
What ticket?
Be at the airport at 7 a.m. Here's your complimentary travel pack.
Thank you. What are all these?
Little Slivovitzes for the road.
For the road. Oh, I gotta go see Mendick.
No vaccinations required.
Tell him what scum he is.
Remember, airport, 7 a.m.
Thank you.
Bon voyage.
Let's welcome Sam Keneally, the celebrated criminal defense attorney.
It appears he had a rough night.
Yeah, he did indeed. Slivovitz.
Gesundheit.
Ah, and that's Sybil Hammond.
She looks like a fun girl.
Yeah, a little bit too much fun, Cal. Miss Hammond's fantasy is to be a virgin again.
Isn't that rather like closing the stable door after the horse has bolted?
Such an odd request.
Why is that, Mary?
Virgins, they're only good for one thing.
What's that?
Sacrifices.
I'm your host, Mr. Rock. Welcome to Fantasy Island.
Even the worst criminals are entitled to a good defense. I mean, it's the basis of our legal system. You deny that to them, and it's just a small step before you deny it to everybody else.
Absolutely. We all want justice, but you've got to have the money to buy it.
I guess I'm just tired of seeing only the worst criminals. You know, I never see the everybody else.
Have you never had an innocent client?
They all say they're innocent, you know. Actually, there was one. And look at this place. My God, I mean, what kind of an innocent client are you gonna find for me here, Rourke? Somebody framed for stealing a coconut?
As a matter of fact, no.
This is the county courthouse.
That's right, your home. Well, there aren't very many interesting trials going on in Fantasy Island at the moment. Ever since Marcia Clark had that football chap retried.
Okay, so my innocent client is here.
Counselor, just the man I'm looking for.
Detective Rossi, this is Mr.
Too bad
Rourke.
about your client Mendick, huh?
Well, the jury didn't feel like you made your case. I'm sorry.
I mean about his being dead.
He's dead?
Killed last night. Cleaning lady found his body in the conversation pit.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. If there's anything I can do, you just...
You can. Put your hands behind your back. Sam Keneally, you're under arrest for the murder of Jack Mendick. You have the right to an attorney. But of course you know that.
Hold on, wait a minute. What the hell is this?
Your innocent client?
This is not what I had in mind.
You asked for an innocent client, and you got one. I must say, this is not a simple case.
May I take a look? I am still the lawyer here, right?
The court appointed me co-counsel, since your mobility is somewhat impaired.
All right, first thing we do, we apply for bail.
Oh, did I forget to tell you? Bail has already been denied. I mean, this is a murder case. You did flee the country.
Yeah, to Fantasy Island.
Well, we don't have an extradition treaty. I mean, I think they're very lucky that you came back voluntarily.
This is ridiculous.
Yes, but the police apparently have a very strong circumstantial case. Now, Mendick was killed a few hours after his trial ended, and you happened to make certain stupid statements. Oh, by the way, do you own a .38 caliber revolver?
Yeah, it was stolen last month.
Oh. Awfully convenient. Do you think the jury's gonna buy that?
You said that Mendick was killed a few hours after his trial ended? That same night?
Yes. About 1 a.m., a neighbor heard the shot. Why?
Well, see, that night, I don't actually remember where I was.
Really?
You don't think that I...
No. Not a chance, Mr. Keneally. You're innocent. Of course, it doesn't mean to say that you won't be found guilty. Thank you.
Look, Keneally, if anyone deserved to die, it's Mendick.
Well, I didn't kill him.
You sound like you've been taking acting classes from some of your clients.
I am one of my clients.
Look, we know how you felt about Mendick, and we understand that you were a little out of control that night.
Well, you're just gonna have to prove that.
You were a little hungover when you arrived on the island.
Look,
But you're gonna have to prove that.
I can prove that. And I'm feeling a little generous because you did do a kind of a public service by cleaning up your mess.
No deals, Flynn.
You plead guilty to manslaughter, I'll recommend a sentence of 4 to 8 years.
You're wasting your breath.
You make me take this to trial and you get convicted of murder, you're looking at 25 to life.
Sounds like a good officer.
I'm innocent, Rourke. What the hell? You know that.
Hey, Sam, we've done this kind of thing before when you had a dog of a case, like with that Maxwell kid. I'll try and be a little objective about this.
No deals, Flynn. We'll take this to trial. Thank you.
It's your funeral.
Mr. Mendick's maid called us at 9 a.m. He was lying on the floor in his living room. There were some broken liquor bottles under his body. He must have smashed them when he fell.
Did you find any fingerprints in this room, Detective?
Well, Mr. Mendick's, of course. And the defendant, Sam Keneally's. His were all over the place.
Objection.
Based on what?
The prosecution is bringing extremely damaging evidence to bear.
That's the idea.
Oh, never mind. Carry on. I'm sorry.
Did there come a time, Detective, when you talked with Mr. Mendick's neighbor, Ethel Connor?
She reported hearing the shot at about 1 a.m.
What else did she report?
That there was a man pounding on Mr. Mendick's door at 11, yelling and cursing. She said he was tall with brown hair.
Did you show her photographs of possible suspects?
Yes, including one of Mr. Keneally. She positively identified him as the man she saw.
Thank you. No more questions, Your Honor.
I'll take the cross.
No. I got it. Detective Rossi.
Objection.
Mr. Rourke, please.
Withdrawn. Detective Rossi, how many enemies did Jack Mendick have?
A lot.
But you picked me as a suspect in his murder.
You fit.
You don't like me, do you?
What I don't like is the way you put stone killers back on the street.
Move to strike, Your Honor.
The jury will disregard that remark. Detective, you know better.
Detective Rossi, those fingerprints of mine that you found inside Mr. Mendick's house, is there any way to date those?
No.
No, so it's entirely possible then that I left those fingerprints when I was consulting with Mr. Mendick about his own trial, months ago.
Yes.
And that neighbor who saw me knocking on Mr. Mendick's door, did she actually see me enter the house?
No.
So isn't it entirely possible then, Detective, that I went over to Mr. Mendick's house, knocked on the door, and then left without ever going inside the house?
Anything's possible.
I'm sorry, is that a yes?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. No further questions, Your Honor.
Your Honor, the people called their final witness.
You didn't tell me they had another witness?
Oh, really? Well, nobody tells me anything.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Why not?
Mr. Fisher, were you with the defendant, Mr. Keneally, on the night of the murder?
Yes, he was in my travel office. He was very drunk and quite upset.
What was he upset about?
About this Mr. Mendick. He told me that the man killed 2 people and that he was scum.
He called his own client scum.
Yeah, he even told me that he's going to Mr. Mendick's house to let him know exactly what he thought of him.
Did he tell you anything about Mr. Mendick's trial?
Oh, he thought it was a gross miscarriage of justice. And he seemed to think that things should be set right.
Objection, Your Honor. The witness can't know what I was thinking.
Actually, he can.
Mr. Fisher,
Yes?
I show you these photographs of the crime scene.
Oh, my God.
I'll circled there are pictures of broken liquor bottles.
Yes, they're Schlivovitz bottles.
How do you know?
They're for my private stock. Carpathian plums. I slipped a few in Mr. Keneally's travel kit when he came to see me. He seemed to like my Schlivovitz.
So you gave these bottles to Mr. Keneally, and they later ended up in Mr. Mendick's house under Mr. Mendick's body.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Mr. Keneally, had I have known, I would have stopped you.
Well, that didn't go very well.
It's not over yet.
Don't worry, Sam. I'm gonna nail that dirtbag.
Rourke, for the defense, okay? I'm the dirtbag.
Yeah, well, I got a little turned around. Oh, I would love to be a prosecutor. I mean, they don't earn as much as we defense lawyers, but... Oh, I'm driving your Porsche. I hope that's okay. Must be so satisfying putting people away.
Rourke?
I'm gonna have to put you on the stand.
No, I don't think that's a very good idea.
Sam, trust me. So, during Mr. Mendick's trial, you worked closely with him.
Yes, of course.
You became friends.
I wouldn't say that.
What would you say?
We had a professional relationship. Mr. Mendick was accused of killing 2 people.
Did he do it?
Well, I don't know.
Well, that's not what you told Mr. Fisher.
Yeah, I think he probably did. Why are you asking me this?
Just trust me. So, Mr. Mendick was a criminal.
Yes, I think so.
And presumably he associated with other criminals.
Yes?
Any one of whom might have had a criminal reason to kill him.
Yes, absolutely.
It bothered you, though, didn't it? A double murderer set free, thanks to you. Didn't it?
Your Honor, I'd like to confer with my associate for a moment, please.
Do you need a recess?
No.
Yes.
Did it bother you, Mr. Keneally?
I was just doing my job.
I see. Just doing your job. Who's Harvey Maxwell?
What does that matter?
Just answer the question.
Harvey Maxwell was a client of mine. He was accused of murder.
But he always claimed that he was innocent, didn't he?
Actually, he was innocent. We found out after.
After what?
Mr. Maxwell had a very strong case against him. He pleaded guilty to manslaughter and he went to prison, where he was killed in a brawl.
Killed in a brawl. Did you advise him to plead guilty?
Your Honor, I object to this entire line of questioning.
They're your questions. You can't object.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Cut it out.
Well, first tell us. Did you advise Mr. Maxwell to plead guilty?
Yes, I did, but I did not know that he was going to get caught into a brawl.
Oh, well, what do you expect in prison? For them to have tea parties?
He was about to be released. I just found evidence that exonerated him.
Well, why couldn't you find the evidence before he was sent to prison?
Because I didn't believe him.
Louder.
I didn't believe he was innocent, so I didn't look hard enough. What are you trying to prove?
What I'm trying to prove is that you are a dispassionate professional. There's nothing in your work that would upset you enough to kill anyone. Except, of course, Harvey Maxwell, but that was an accident. I mean, something goes bad, you forget it, you move on.
I did not forget about Harvey Maxwell.
Why not? You weren't sure you could win his trial at a time when you were trying to establish a winning reputation. So you pressured him into pleading guilty. You sent him out to die. He was a 19-year-old boy. He wanted to be an airline pilot. He had his hopes and his dreams before him. If only you tried a little harder.
Then he'd still be alive.
Yeah.
Mendick. I got Mendick off, who deserved to die.
Mendick deserved to die?
Yeah, No. What the hell are you doing?
Your Honor, I rest my case.
Members of the jury, have you reached a verdict?
Yes, Your Honor, we have.
The defendant will rise. On the charge of murder, how do you find?
We find the defendant, Sam Keneally, guilty as charged.
Whoops. Look, take a really deep breath. Come on. How do you feel?
I feel all right.
I rest my case.
I should feel terrible.
Yeah. You came to me looking for an innocent client, but that wasn't precisely correct, was it? What you really wanted was to feel innocent yourself.
Harvey Maxwell. I was responsible for that boy's death.
And you were never punished for it, except, of course, by yourself. Now somebody else will be punishing you, so you don't have to.
Do you have anything to say before I pronounce sentence?
No, Your Honor.
The crime you committed is extremely serious, and the prescribed punishment is clear. I therefore sentence you to...
Your Honor, wait! Wait! There's been a terrible mistake. I have found new evidence.
Your Honor, this is not the time nor the place.
On the contrary, Your Honor, it's precisely the time and the place.
What is it?
This tape is from the FWA VIP lounge at the airport.
FWA?
Fantasy World Airways. From the security camera of the night of the murder, and Mr. Keneally, he flew out the next morning.
Yes, 6 hours after the murder.
He was there all night. The tape shows it. He was there from midnight on, passed out drunk on the couch.
Really, I was?
How do we know that tape's even authentic?
I have here, Your Honor, the affidavit, a technical analysis.
I'll stay sentencing for 48 hours. If this tape shows what this man says it shows, the guilty verdict will be set aside.
Waiting is so boring.
Where am I now?
I would hazard a guess and say prison.
The tape was no good?
No, it was good. The judge acquitted you.
Well, then, what am I doing back here?
Well, you see this gentleman over here? That's Mr. Burlingham. He's been convicted of a terrible murder and sentenced to die.
Yeah, I read about this guy. I remember him.
He's innocent.
Well, no, that's not what the papers say. They said...
He's innocent. You're going to take his case. It may take many years, but I'm afraid he can't afford to pay you anything.
Good.